Hello, happy New Year's, guys. So we're in our first job of 2026. I want to give a special thank you to 2025, all my clients, customers, all the support, guys. 2025 was an amazing year. I made some huge changes in my company. I eliminated the carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning division to focus on my wood floor maintenance, and I also added the countertops. So anyway, guys, first job of 2026. This is Mr. Sergio. I came out about 3 weeks ago. He purchased his home, and they had some work being done, some painting. So you always want the floor guys to be the last. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is a little bit about close to 1,800 square feet, screen and recoat with UV cure. Charge $350 a square. Usually it's about $450 a square foot, but when you got this much square footage, I knock it down to $350 a square foot, and we're going to be doing his quartz countertops. So today is a beautiful day. We are in Brookhaven, Georgia. Again, first job of 2026, and then when we put the coating down here, we have a consultation to do not far from here. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so here it is, 2026. First job of the year. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. I must say we have had some amazing weather here in Georgia. And these are the floors we're doing. So again, guys, we have clients. They don't wait to the floors or to the point of no return before moving in. Want to get some good protection on these floors. I'm going with the screen UV cure process. Room here, you can see the floors are not bad. But you do have clients that understand the importance of maintenance. That's Mr. Sergio right there, just moving some stuff. Also this kitchen area right here. And then we're gonna be doing these quartz countertops. Clean, buff, polish, and seal. And then upstairs. So again, about 1,800 square feet, wood floors. Here, and here. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Yeah, first light of a brand new year. Boots on the ground. Hands still remember the work. Brookhaven, Georgia. I can hear the floors before I see them. They talk back
when you treat them right. 21st pause will second me.
But I'm still here, and I ain't done. Walked in quiet, respect on my shoulders. Every scar taught me precision. 1,800 square feet, yeah. Screened by patience, recoded with vision. UV light humming like a prayer, hardening what was already strong. This ain't just flaws, this is proof I belong. Slow like a heartbeat. Earn every pass I made, every lesson learned. Quartz countertops glow under steady hands. Clean but buff fit. Edison plan, no rush in my morning, no defeat in my tone. Satisfied client when the work is shown. Truman, hardwood, refinishing and cleaning. First job of 2026 and the future listening. Same crowd. Say Brookhaven, Georgia. First job of 2026. We just getting started.
Go ahead, check it out. All right, guys. My client just got back. Want to go check it out? Yeah, look at those countertops.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Better than you.
Floors. Yep, got all the closets.
Nice.
Thank you, thank you. Yep, all this is cured, and you also the upstairs. All right, guys, floors came out great. I'm actually down to the last room, UV cure, so I'm just letting my client check it out. And Sergio, how did you hear about me again? On the internet?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Google, good old Google. All right, guys. Well, I just got to finish UV curing this, and we will be done. It is getting very, very busy. I have 3 consultations tomorrow. We also have jobs Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And I've already got, I think, 3 on the books for next week. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.